This is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2015 Mazda BT50 stock number 6736. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder petrol diesel turbo engine. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,